Grok 4.3 stands as a highly cost effective for developers building agents, RAG systems, or handling large documents. What are RAG systems? We need to look into this RAG system. Retrieval Augmented Generation is an AI framework that improves large language model outputs by fetching relevant data from external knowledge bases before generating a response. Okay, now let's take this and let's go to Grok and let us ask Grok to help us understand. Let me put it over here and I'm gonna dictate it. Help me understand this in simple terms and let's see what it gives us. You see this fast version, super fast guys. So retrieval augmented generation. Imagine you have a very smart student. The LLM could be Grok, ChatGPT, who has studied a lot, but when you ask him a question about something new or very specific, he sometimes guesses or makes mistakes. So RAG is like giving him a librarian friend. Before the student answers, the librarian reaches the latest book, documents, or your company files, picks out the most relevant pages, gives those pages to students, then the student reads them and gives them a much better answer, accurate answer. So it's like hooking on to like an external database that could make the answers more accurate. What happens? You ask a question, then what was our sales last quarter? Then the LLM goes to find the latest sales PDF or database, pulls only the Q1 sales report, uses the real data plus its knowledge to reply accurately. This is important. Why RAG is so useful? Reduces hallucinations. So this is pretty common in large language models to give out false answers and making up stuff that is not accurate. So LLM stops making up answers, gives up to date information. LLMs don't know things after their training date. Okay, this is understandable. Usually when a large language model is trained, it will have knowledge up to that certain date when it was released. Like I'll show you over here. Earlier we were talking about these large language models and their pricing. So Gemini 2.5 Pro, it will have like the knowledge till the point when it was released. Same with GPT 3.1 Pro. So we can say that 3.1 Pro will have more knowledge, more worldly knowledge than Gemini 2.5 Pro. And if we talk about GPT 4.0, it will have lesser knowledge than GPT 5.4. The performance is a separate thing. However, I'm talking about their knowledge of the worldly stuff that they have been actually trained on. And these RAG makes answers more accurate and trustworthy. So real life example, customer support chatbots. This is like very important if a company has their own SOPs, has their own procedures, so they can be well hooked up with the LLM. Legal AI reads all your contracts before answering. Medical assistants checks the latest research papers before giving information. Interesting. Personal or Grok Chat GPT, you can feed it notes, emails, or PDFs so it knows you better. So in short, RAG is an LLM plus smart search. It's like giving the AI fresh notes before it speaks instead of forcing it to remember everything from memory. So this is exactly what we have on the Google infrastructure now. I have the Google AI Pro, and what it basically allows me to do is have projects. I can put all of my documents related to one certain project in that one, and I can ask the AI to pull up data to give me information or to use the information to explain something that new that I came across. So now I think I understand drag, and I hope you would also find this useful. So it's retrieval augmented generation.